welcome back to another week in the series of the salon renovation. I'm currently at the shop because I'm waiting for a salon, my lady that does salon planning, so she'll be able to map things out exactly where I want them, and to be able to, for me to see, because in my previous salon it was, I'm always guessing like what works, and I'd move around things again, and then I'd move around things again until I get the perfect. For the past 6 years, I haven't moved anything out, so that's actually a good thing. So I'm quite happy with the design that it is at the moment, so that's a very good thing. So yes, I've decided for this, because the space is so big, as I showed you in my last video. If you haven't seen the space, watch week 1. You'll see on there the layout of the salon. So I'm back today because I'm waiting for her to come to have a look and see what's best and where to place things. Yes, so that's really good. So I'm just here in the evening. Today has been like a very hectic day, like registering things and then also I thought I'd do a mood board, which I left my laptop at home because I'd have been able to show you like roughly the kind of styles I'm going for, because I wanted to get it ready for Shania when she came to do the mapping, so that she knows roughly what I'm thinking, because I'm not a mind reader, so, and she's not either. So I thought, let me just get everything on paper today. So that took about 3 hours to do in between all the other stuff. And yes, that's where we are today. And so I've come back. I thought I'd come a bit early because I've got some of these like boxes that I've bought down, because now this is like the new storage. This is my new storage house for now, so I'm just literally just moving boxes in to get them out the way, because obviously when they start knocking down the walls, I don't want to have too much dust, because with these I can actually cover them over. Yeah, that's the ambulance outside, because this is going to be a regular soundtrack for us now. Little effects every second. We'll hear the ambulance quite often here, which is a shame, but it just reminds you how imperfect we are, and that we do get sick sometimes, and we hope it goes for the best. Yeah, so I feel like the last few weeks, that's all I've done is moved around these boxes. I think hopefully they'll be here for the last time. I won't be moving them again after this, but I just don't want them to get dusty, because that's a whole new. So what's in this one? Oh yeah, so in this box here I had got a little bit of work to do. I did design a few flyers out, yes, to have them here, because then I'm gonna distribute them at some point to say, hey, Red Cocoa Hair Studio is in the area. So that's well, that's a very heavy box. So let me just put this down here. I'm just gonna pack these away. That's my sister, by the way, just in case. Yes, have I got anything else? I think that's it for now. Yeah, and then also I've got my, which is, I was so excited about this, because obviously like this is like the real it really hit home when my banner, I don't know if you can see there, when my banner came. It actually is like an opening soon banner that's going to go outside the front. So that's going to be, when that's up, it's, everyone's going to know. Because so far when I've been cleaning up the outside, because a bit of grass has grown through the slabs. So definitely, I know people are looking, going, oh, there's movement, because obviously this building's been closed for so long. So me being out, it's people are wondering. So when this goes up, then the neighborhood will definitely know that there's a hairdresser's coming. So that's really, really nice. So let me see if I can let's carry it away. This is very long, so I don't really want to take it all the way out, but I just want to give you like a little view. My arms aren't long enough, but yes. So what can we read there? So you can see studio. You can see how long. Oops, I can't even open it in it. You can see how long it is. So when it does go up, it's going to be so good. When it does go up, I'll show you the actual footage of it going up. Yes, I've bought 2 of them for the shops, 2 corners. So I've got facing that way and facing that way. So then it will be advertising from all directions. Yes, yes, yeah. So that's what we're doing. So me and my sister's down, and yeah, she came with me for a bit of company, Alicia, and yes, we're just here, just moving around bits and bobs, and yeah, just chilling. Nothing much today. It's just, main thing is just getting things in and more paperwork of registering the business, registering that we're going to be here now, and then I need to find out a few other things and start getting deliveries coming here so we can start moving. Yes, so this week it'd be good because we have them coming as well, which I'll film them coming to have a look at the what to do with the walls, because as I says, the windows are covered over, so we need to expose those. Yeah, so that's where we are this week. So it's a lot of background work, not necessarily shop work, but if I do get a bit of time, then I can just come down and do a bit of little bits and bobs, because the more I can do in between, the less. Well, I'm also mindful that there's going to be a point where it's going to be very dusty. So even though last week we picked the paints and stuff like that, oh yeah, the paint is over there. Which do you think? Because I've got, let me just move these, it's my gardening gloves. But I don't know if you can see. Yes, so I think that's quite close to the wall that we have now. So I was a little bit taken aback with that one. Yes, so yes, yeah, so that was a shame on that. So I might take it back and see what other walls that we can, what other colors we can do. So Shania has arrived and we've started doing the measurements for the building. This is a huge property, lots of measuring to be done, but we've started. All this is going to go down into a 3D imagery for me to see later. It's been a few days, but I've been at work and I've not long finished, so that was nice today. So I just thought I'd come down to the store and see the shop, to see what's gone on today. So we haven't got much lighting today, so I don't know what's happened. So I wanted to see this section because we're going in to see what the workmen have done. Well, that's very interesting. It's got lots of what's it called? All the worktops are off. Oh, and now we have, yeah, wow, actually it looks quite low now, the window, now that it's off. So I'm be careful as I walk. Oh, As you can see, all the electric sockets are still there. So that there is going to be the next window to come up. So that's all very interesting. I have to be careful how I walk in here. But yes, this is a lot of cupboards, more than what was on the wall, if you remember from the last week's video. Yeah, so far so good. It's actually starting, so this is gonna be so exciting. But I think I'm definitely will consider getting frosted, and I like the ledge along that bit as well. Yes, that's beautiful. It's gonna look really nice, and it just feels open already. Yeah, I'm sorry about the lighting. It's just very I had to use the flashlight on the phone. But yeah, so this is officially the first day of this going up and up. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. It's been a few days, and so I'm actually on my way to the shop right now. It's a little bit dark, so I don't think you can see me very well, but that's okay when we get into better light. Yes, so this week has been a very hectic week, as you can imagine, and I'm just going out. Thank you. I'm just going out to have a look at what the workmen did in the week. Yes, because today is now Sunday. Yeah, so that'll be interesting to see, because they're supposed to take down the other window to expose that. I've already vlogged the first window down, which you would have seen earlier in the video already. And yeah, so we're going to have a look and see what the next sections are and what it looks like. But already they've showed me on a video and it looks really good. Yeah, so I'm just it feels like it's expanding. It's a lot bigger, so I'm gonna go and see for myself in real life, and then I'll take you along with me. Stay tuned. So far it's now exposed. If you remembered, in that corner there was just walls and lots of wood covering over the plaster boards that used to look like this. So now we can see that it's exposed. So that's really feels really nice. This feels huge, but I can't go over there for health and safety, and because I'm not dressed appropriately, so I'm just staying in the clear area. Yeah, so this is what we have so far. Yes, so there we are. That's what we have it. We've actually made extra progress this week. I'm currently in the garden. I'm currently in the car park. I'll show you around that bit. So that would be the entrance from the road, and we're going to go around here. You can see the rest, and definitely needs a good pick-me-up. Yeah, definitely.